I really love the atmosphere of the Belval campus, the perfect blend of modern architecture. It's a vibrant research environment filled with interesting students. Actually, now I'm currently in my final semester of my academic journey at the University of Luxembourg, and now I'm working on my master thesis. The university has a strong connection with startups across Luxembourg, allowing the students collaborate with companies to find a thesis project. I'm conducting for my master thesis at the Crab company. We are focusing on a highly relevant and impactful topic, applying artificial intelligence to detection and sorting waste management for sustainable solutions. During the summer, I secured a full-time student job in National Health Institute in Luxembourg. We are working on MRI images to detecting the Alzheimer disease. I think our research group, environment and the atmosphere are so friendly and good, and it can help us to improve our skills before entering the industry or maybe continuing our PhD in this field. I'm Seyedamir Shobeiri. I'm from Iran. I study computer science in master degree at the University of Luxembourg.